Hi everyone, this is Bidaskar Salam from PS Media, and in this short video I want to talk about as one of the basic and important settings for WordPress website, that is time zone, setting time zone. Here in the settings, general settings, you get the option to set time zone, date format and time format. And we start on Monday or any Sunday. It's your choice. Why time zone? Setting time zone is very important because whole the system working on a time basis. For example, if you want to have discounts, countdowns, or appointments, or the website analytics, everything. Those things all depend on time, and if it is not your local time zone, your standard time country's time zone, then there will be some issues for time difference. So you have to set the standard time of your country or your local time. Here it is India, so we have to set India's time zone. Here most of the Africa, Australia, Europe, Atlantic, Tokyo, Singapore, Shanghai, Seoul, Qatar, Kolkata here. This is our standard time zone, and if it is not available here in this time list, you can also choose UTC list. For you to UTC, you can get in the Wikipedia or any other places list of time zone abbreviations. Here for India standard time zone, here it is UTC 5:30. So you can set here in. If it is not Kolkata, then you can choose UTC 5:30 like this. So this is how you set time zone for your website. This is the first thing. This is one of the first thing that you have to do after your WordPress installations. Yes, time zone is very important. It is of the system working, website analysis on all, and I hope this video is helpful to you. This is something that we overlook almost all the time but this is something we have to do. I hope this video reminder is helpful to you, and please don't forget to click the subscribe button and thumbs up button. Thanks for watching again.